Welcome to Queen's Alchemy. This is Noreen, and I am the Queen, and I'm creating this 3-bean chili today. So come along with me as we create this because it is so. And we're going to be showing you all the ingredients we're using here. Quite a few ingredients that you need. Some seasonings, tomatoes, kidney beans, northern beans, pinto beans, and you're also going to use some tomato sauce, some red wine, as well as portobello mushrooms, green onion, garlic, and you have a red onion. We're going to be slicing up these green peppers. We're going to slice up the garlic as well as the red onion. We're going to also slice the portobello mushrooms. We're going to chop some as well. We're going to put this grapeseed oil into the pan, add in the red onions, and toss it around. Then the green peppers, and also toss it around. We're going to let that cook down. Add in the mushrooms, the chopped mushrooms. And then we just toss those around, let them cook down, add in the garlic, and then also let that cook down. Now we're going to add in the tomato paste. All of the seasonings together. You can find all of the seasonings and the measurements in the description. You see all of the seasonings and things stuck to the bottom of the pan. That is definitely great seasoning. We're going to use the red wine to get that extra seasoning up off of the bottom of the pan. It's so much flavor in there. It's looking good. Whole tomatoes, where we will break them down with our fingers, making it kind of a rough, and put it in there. We're going to also toss that around. We're going to add in some chipotle sauce, 2 tablespoons of that. I'm sorry, teaspoons. And we're going to toss in the sliced mushrooms that were already pre-seasoned. That will be in the description as well. And then we're going to add some cumin, which is about a teaspoon. And we're going to add in some coriander, which is about a teaspoon as well. Maybe a half teaspoon. And some black pepper to taste. Toss it around. Let it break down in there. Looking good. And now we're going to add our beans. We're going to add the northern beans first. Then the kidney beans. Then we're going to add in the pinto beans. The pinto beans, we're not going to use the whole can because that's a pretty big can of beans. You just need a small can, just couldn't find a small can. The pinto beans, they break down into the sauce, making it really full and thick. And then we add in a small can of tomato sauce. How thick and hearty that is. And you can already see that the pinto beans are breaking down. You're going to put the lid on it, let it cook for about 5 to 8 minutes. And then you're going to add a little cocoa aminos. That's probably about a half a teaspoon. You're going to add about half a teaspoon of cacao powder, like cocoa. So it comes from the cacao plant. And then the maple syrup, which is one of my favorite staples, but it also cuts the bitterness in this. And I just decided I'm not going to use the cap, I'm just going to pour it up for my homies. Alright. Now, stir it in. We're going to put the lid back on, let it cook for a little bit more, maybe about another 5-10 minutes. Now it's beginning to really break down. The beans are beginning to break down. It's looking good. Very thick and hearty. Now we're going to get a bowl and so good. There it is. The 3-bean chili, vegan style, looking delicious. We're getting ready to see how it actually tastes. Look at it smoking, looking delicious. So good. Tune into the next video. Thank you for watching.